Okay. Julia, Daddy has a question for you.
Julia, did you poop? Did you poop? Did you poop? It smells like you pooped, did you? I don't think she's really playing along right now.
I know. Julia.
Julia, did you poop? Did you poop in your pants? Wow.
Julia.
Don't tear your ACL. Did you poop? No?
Julia, did you poop? Hi, James. Is that a book you like? Julia, did you poop?
I think you did.
Daddy's gonna go get
I
you.
think you're not telling the truth.
Happy Father's Day, Mark. You got a diaper to change.
Julia.